Hey y'all, welcome to the Media Chatroom where the headlines are talking. Y'all know our specialty is getting into those trending hotlines. And here is a trending one that's busting on the YouTube street. And y'all, that's Tasha K possibly going to jail. And y'all, the way the streets talking is less of possibly, but it's more of starting when and for how long. And yes, this all stems from the lawsuit from Cardi B. Y'all, she was ordered to pay Cardi B almost $4 million from a defamation lawsuit. But y'all, I think Tasha K must have stayed in grade school too long because she kept playing with the girl. Anytime she would provide commentary or gossip chatter, she would basically mock the situation and say that Cardi B ain't getting the money because she ain't got it. So y'all, she ended up filing for bankruptcy, which was the way that she thought it would ensure of Cardi B not getting her money. And y'all, Cardi B was like, girl, don't play with me. I quit school because of recess. So it continued to be a back and forth thing. And right now, it's not looking too good for your girl Tasha. So y'all just go ahead and relax while we get into it. But first, Chatty Patties, I'm gonna need y'all to like and share this video with everyone that you know. And while you at it, go ahead, press the subscribe button so that you can become an official Chatty Patty lover. And I promise you're gonna love it here. And last but not least, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you know when we drop our next video. So somebody go ahead and cue up End of the Road by Boyz II Men because Tasha, the games is over. So y'all, back in 2019, Cardi B ended up suing Tasha K for defamation. Prior to the actual lawsuit, Cardi B gave her several attempts to cease and desist, creating content about her that was false and based on lies. Tasha refused, and to court they was headed. So throughout the trial, we found out that Tasha K makes up lies intentionally in order to garner likes and views from the people. Now, due to these damaging lies, which was seen as a way to hurt the reputation of Cardi, Tasha was ordered to pay her $3.9 million in racks, aka dollar bills. So instead of Tasha K taking the L with style and grace, she started an I Ain't Got It campaign and filed for bankruptcy, basically purposely trying to find a way not to pay Cardi the $3.9 million that she owed. Now, as some of you may know, whenever you file for bankruptcy, you have to go through the bankruptcy court, listing out and detailing your funds. So Tasha ended up reporting saying that she didn't have no savings, no trust, no nothing, ultimately lying under oath along with her husband to garner a fake judgment. And throughout the court process, she was ordered not to move any funds or else she will be in trouble with the court. So y'all, Cardi already knew what type of tree Tasha was barking up. So she ended up hiring a private investigator to track and find all of Tasha's money. And come to find out, she definitely had more than what she reported.
I was under anesthesia for 6 hours, so I got a lot of mother to say. I said, bitch, keep playing around. You ain't gonna be able to put your kids through college. I'm going easy on you. I'm going easy on you. I know where you hide your money. You don't think I know how much money that law firm pay you so you can advertise? I know everything, bitch. And I be going easy on you. You wanna know why? Because I don't need that $4 million. Look at the shit you have fucking cost yourself with your motherfucking mouth. And by the way, I'm about to take your house. Since you want to talk about, oh, wasn't you this and that? Yeah, you want to be protected all the time. And for you to try to use that over this billionaire trying to be funny, you trying to be out here funny, talking about you bankrupt. You know, I have a fucking hire a private investigator. Do you know I know where all your money is hiding at? You're gonna see it in court. Embezzling, yeah, bitch, embezzling, bitch. You're gonna go to jail. So what was that judge's name? He said, if you hide any money, you're gonna get in trouble by the court. You're going to jail. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
So now we're going to play an interview that Tasha K did with Comedy Hype Plus, where she actually discussed Cardi saying she's going to take her house and her possibly moving to Africa so that she could keep from paying Cardi.
You're suing somebody who bought a house on an FHA loan. The house that she said she was going to take, that was on an FHA loan. I don't even own that house. I ain't running from my country. I am not leaving Florida. Absolutely not. My husband is African, and I've been going to Africa. Only difference is I published this trip. So my son lives in Africa. My husband's family lives in Africa. I had to put it on a credit card because I ain't had no money at the time. Look, there's no money in Africa. I don't even have a bank account in Africa. My husband don't even have a bank account in Africa. There's no money being transferred. We didn't have none. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, she got tax returns and she got bank statements, from all the banks. And it's like, girl, you scratching at the walls right now. You knew you sued somebody that was broke. And I get it. You spent $1.2 million and didn't put out a record. You want some of that money back, but you're going to have to get it in payments. I'm trying to pay you. But you're suing somebody who bought a house on an FHA loan. Listen, and I want to give it to you every time. But you're going to have to get it in payments for the next 60 years, girl. 60 years.
So, y'all, while Tasha K was around here saying, I ain't got it, Cardi was hiding out there in the cut saying, I'ma find it. And as y'all heard, she did just that. So, come to find out, y'all, she was hiding 5 different accounts and different names, 2 of which were located offshore. So, throughout Cardi's investigation, she was able to find that Patricia Haynes is a financial professional, and she is the one who's helped establish some of these accounts. However, Cardi B's legal team is saying that she is evading subpoena as they are trying to get a hold of Tasha K financial documents so that they could examine. She was served multiple times, one of the times being via email, and there was a read receipt attached to it, which shows that she opened the document 8 minutes after it was sent. Now, y'all, some people are having mixed emotions about this. Some people are saying it's very well deserving that Tasha get what she deserves, while some is saying she's a mom and they don't want to see her go to jail. However, some people may not know there was actually a time when Cardi B was thinking about not pursuing the judgment, basically meaning she was going to let Tasha K off the hook. But first, Cardi wanted to talk to her mom and her lawyers first before making the final decision. And one of the things she did mention, if she was to do it, she asked that Tasha K please change her ways. She wanted her to stop creating lies and stop hurting people through her platform.
But my heart is very big, and I'm not gonna make decisions right away about things. I'm not gonna make decisions right away because I got burnt so many times in life. I don't want to talk to my friends. I'm not gonna talk to my husband, and I'm not gonna talk to my fans because I know the chat don't play about me. But I'm gonna talk to my mom tomorrow because I could tell when somebody is depressed. I could tell when somebody is going through some shit. And I could tell when somebody just feel like they don't have nobody to talk to. Surprisingly, it doesn't make me happy. I don't want to make wrong decisions. That's why I just want to talk to my mom tomorrow. I want to talk to my mom. I want to talk to my lawyers. But stop hurting people.
But y'all, Tasha missed the mark. She saw it laying on the ground, but spit on it and walked right on over it. Because not too much longer, she ended up doing an interview with one of Will Smith's ex-best friends, who ended up exposing a lot of his personal life during the interview. And Cardi actually did not like what she saw.
Yo, I don't like shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't like how I got fooled a couple of weeks ago. Some people just never change. Never change. I don't like that. I don't like what people be doing to Will Smith. I be feeling like Will Smith is very unproblematic, and I feel like he got like a nice heart. And I don't like that some people never fucking change. I'm so tired of people picking on that man. Dead ass. And like, I feel like it's not even your job as a journalist. You should like be able to detect whether somebody is bullshitting or not. Because anybody could say something about anybody. It should be your job to detect whether something is a lie or not, or like to have any type of proof, any type of evidence. And it's so fucked up that like somebody could put something so salacious out and not think about like, oh, well, how is this going to affect this person's mental health? How is this going to affect somebody's day? Is this worth me fucking up somebody's mind? God sees everything. And then when you start going through fucking hell, when life starts dragging you through fucking hell, when you start fucking crying, you be like, why the fuck is me? Because you do that shit to other people.
So it looked like things are definitely coming back in a negative way to impact Tasha. And like I told y'all, it's not only Tasha, it's her husband as well. There's a possibility that they can be looked at for perjury, tax evasion, as well as wire fraud. In addition to not adhering to the order from the judge, which prohibited her to move or hide money. And according to Dennis Byron, who is a former criminal prosecutor, states that this case was referred to the Department of Justice for potential prosecution. So y'all, I think it's time to go ahead and cue up Mariah Carey. It's a wrap for you, baby. So, Chatty Patties, it's time for y'all to go ahead and hop in those comments. What do you think about all this legal trouble that Tasha K has gotten herself into? Do you feel like it was her just being stubborn, thinking she would be able to be above the law? Or do you think that she was getting some bad advice from family and friends? And do y'all think that her playing in Cardi face made it worse, still continuing to attack her family? And do y'all think that Tasha K will continue to put out stories, although she may be entering into a new legal battle? And do you think her husband should have told her just to cut the shit a long time ago? Go ahead and leave me all your thoughts in the opinions because y'all know I'm gonna be in those comments. And before you leave, make sure that you go ahead and like and share this video with everyone that you know. Definitely subscribe to the channel so that you can become an official Chatty Patty lover, and I promise you're gonna love it. And last but not least, make sure that you turn on your notification bell so that you know when we drop our next video or go live. Now y'all already know, first thing first is I'm going back to the comments to see what y'all had to say. Then it's back to scrubbing the headlines so that I can bring you all another video. So that's gonna be all for now, and until next time, bye bye.